Alright, here's video number 2 for this fan. This one I'm going to be doing demonstrating the fan with the wall control. Lutron 3-speed Skylark control. This is going to be a quick video. I'll just run through the fan speeds. Wall control. With the wall control, I'm not going to show spin down. If you want to see spin down, see the factory speeds video. So I'll put it on low here. Yeah, that's low. Okay, I was a little confused there. Very, very slight breeze from that. It's around medium. Bit more of a breeze. I'll throw her on high. It's a good breeze. Not bad air. I think because it has the wider blades, it has more the ability to move more air. Just do spin down again. Nah. Well, I don't know if it's going to be any different. I'm not going to do it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm trying not to say comment, like, and subscribe. The only way the reason why I said is I was trying to borrow someone else's video outro. So, I'm not forcing you to subscribe. I just... want to subscribe, you can subscribe, but I'm not forcing you. I make good contact. That's not a word. That's like a brand. Content. That's what I meant to say. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.